Hello guys, and while I'm waiting for my sister, I'm going to show off my brand new puppet that I'm still working on. As you can see, it's supposed to be like a toy version. Look, fuzz, fuzz, more fuzz, and stitches on the ears, as you can see. And it blinks! My first blinking puppet. Just kicking up daisies, got one too many quarters in my pocket. The only one I guess I should have left it. There it is. And yes, the eyes are spiral. Both of them. This is the pain I have to work with. The pain of an eyelid I have to work with. I have to do this. It's rather tiring, but it works for short videos. I'll fix it later, but time to fetch Julietta. Okay, guys, since Juliet is going to take a little longer in the bathroom, I want you all to guess which puppet is my first puppet. First off, we got this guy. I haven't named them yet, because, just because. We got this one first. Second, we got this one. Haven't showed it off to my other channel yet. We got this one. Yeah. Third, we got this one. Yeah, I made his eyes swivel. Just slightly. It's kind of hard to control down there. And then next we got this guy. I guess you can try to guess which is my first puppet. And then we got this guy, which I just showed you was the newest one. Blinking feature. You can come out now, Dad. Not that side, you're gonna crush my puppets.
Alright.
Ah.
No messing with the beard.
I wasn't messing with the beard, I was trying to get that hat.
Okay.
I want you all to guess which puppet is my first one.
Love you, my dad.
You all are not going to guess it. Put your head in the camera.
No!
Put your head in the camera.
I'm not putting my bald head in the camera. Nope.
Okay, pull your head closer though.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. Have a nice time at work then.
I'm not going.
Oh wait, right. It's Sunday. I forgot. Never mind. Sorry. Anyways, guess which puppet is my first one. Bye. Am I making you wait? Yes.
Well, I'm making myself a cushion because I'm picky like that. You want to tell them already the description? Or what we're doing? You can at least start with that.
Which one do you want to start with?
Save the blue raspberry because that's my favorite. I love blue raspberry.
There's strawberry and red cherry.
Okay, we're going to go with this one because I don't know what white grape is
Hey,
supposed
Julietta,
to be.
look.
What?
It has lifesavers on it.
I want to eat it.
Okay, we're tasting.
Can I have the lifesaver candy instead?
I wish it was. This is sparkling ice. It's white grape flavored sparkling water beverage. 0 sugar with vitamins and antioxidants.
What?
Antioxidants.
0 sugar. Dad won't like it.
Yeah.
Yummy, it's all mine.
All ours. Ooh, it's fuzzy.
Or one blue raspberry. Save best for last though. Wait, let me smell it. Dang it. Smells like juice.
Tastes like those.
Yummy.
That's yours. We're doing a second taste testing.
We are not opening all these bottles at once.
I know. Tomorrow.
Well, I'll probably have this finished by then, so if you don't like another one.
It has a weird aftertaste on my tongue.
It's not weird, it's tasty. You're just not used to it.
Yeah.
I used to drink this stuff when I was little.
We're doing the cherry one next.
Eh.
Anyway.
These are what we got.
Anyways, put those back.
Okay.
Have a blessed day and make the world
Have a blessed day.
and make the world a better place, one person and one moment at a time.
What are you doing?
I'm showing them my nails.
With my nail polish?
They've been there for weeks, okay? Why do you think they're chipped and all that?
You took my nail polish.
I have no nail polish.
That's why you ask, sweetie. See, that's how detrimental to my sanity that was! You pinched me! Oh, you know what I can do?
No.
I'm taking off the crab candy.
No. No.
No,
No. My first puppet!
Oh my god. Good god.
Leave it.
Leave it. I think Dad heard you.
Oh, he's coming down for you.
Oh no. Oh no.
My puppet's alone.
Muppet? What? Muppet is a type of Muppet! I'm gonna tell you.
I'm stopping this.
Child abuse.
Okay. Turns out we have to do 2 today, so grab the cherry one. Oh my gosh. I got it.
I just want to smell it. I need to smell if it smells like
Ooh.
cherries.
Oh, it does. Smell it.
Oh, it does.
This one's mine. You just spilled it, Morgan. Right there too.
It's gonna look like a period stain.
I know. And this is mine.
Yeah, you're welcome to keep it.
Wait, we forgot to rate it last time.
Okay, so last time's rating was at least a 9 for me. This one is like 6.
I rate this one a 9, and the other one, a 4. It had a weird aftertaste.
They taste accurate, if anything. I just wasn't ever a fan of certain ones. What is wrong with you? Why would you give it such a low rating?
right on my crotch.
Keep laughing, buddy. Keep laughing, buddy. Keep laughing, Donald Duck. No, it's not.
Yes,
I
it
was the front.
did. It felt ticklish, so I'm like, okay, ticklish, you stop it.
Let me get your
Stop
hamstring.
it.
I got your finger. You watch the photos. Got your string. Looks at mine. There's nothing to grab. That does not grab the back of my hoodie. I got none. I got none. I gotta get some.
There, I pulled it.
What string?
The tiniest string of all.
There is no string at all. You sigh like you work a 9 to 5.
Head indent.
No, you do not.
You have a head indent.
That's not a gen. It's just pressing down my hair. And
I look good.
I've had better days. Hold on.
Forehead.
Keeps it out of the way. And even if not, moves to the sides nicely. All right, Toodles. No, you go back here. What do you mean? Why would I want to come back when you chase me?
What are you doing?
What do you want, you criminal? What do you want? What do you want from me? I said bye!
Goodbye.